Hey guys, Chris from Smile here again with another tips video. So one I get asked a lot is, why is my fan just blowing cold air? You know, for whatever reason, it's just blowing cold air, not producing any heat. Now, all furnaces run a little bit differently, but some furnaces, anytime they fail on any error, could be about the flame, could be about a motor, could be the board, doesn't matter. Some furnaces will blow the fan, just cold air, every single time, no matter what failure it happened. And it's just a way to ensure the furnace doesn't know if there's anything, inside of it, but it's blowing all the heat out just in case, even if there's no heat. It's a safety mechanism. Now, some furnaces will just blow the fan if you have encountered an overheating issue, and it just wants to blow all the heat out before it can attempt to fire up again. So either it's going to fail for any reason and run the fan, or more specifically, some furnaces are just going to run the fan after overheating.
Okay, so now if your furnace is overheating and cycling and blowing cold air in between it, typically how you would know this is happening, your house isn't getting completely frozen cold. It's not going down to 16 Celsius or anything like that, but maybe it's, a degree or two shy of what you're trying to set it to. And you'll be able to tell your furnace is coming on and it's running for a bit, not too long, and then shutting off and blowing cold air for X amount of hours, depending on the furnace. So if you do catch it running for a bit, but not running all the time, very well could be overheating. Firstly, come and check your filter, see if it's plugged. That's one of the most common reasons for overheating. If after that it's still cycling like this, please call us and get us in there and we can figure out what's going on.